The secret behind Power BI's popularity, 5 reasons businesses swear by it in 2025. Welcome back to Xplore Pro. Today, we're diving deep into Microsoft Power BI. Now, you might be thinking Power BI, that's been around for a minute, and you'd be right, but here's the thing. Power BI hasn't just been resting on its laurels. It's 2025 and Power BI is still the go-to for businesses of all sizes. The question is, why? That's what we're here to break down. So let's get right into it. Easy to use, drag, drop, analyze. First up, let's talk about user experience. Power BI is known for its incredibly intuitive interface. Think about it. You've got people across different departments who need to make sense of data. Not everyone's a coding whiz, right? That's where Power BI shines. Its drag and drop functionality is like building blocks for data visualization. You can pull in your data, select the visuals you want, and boom, you've got a dashboard that tells a story. It's all about empowering users to unlock insights and make data-driven decisions fast. Cost-effective enterprise-grade analytics without the enterprise price tag. Okay, let's talk budget. We all know that enterprise-level software can sometimes mean enterprise-level costs. But Power BI flips the script. One of the biggest reasons for its popularity is its incredible affordability. Power BI offers a range of pricing options, making it accessible to businesses of all sizes. Even the free version of Power BI packs a punch, giving you access to core features and the ability to create and share basic reports. It's a win-win. Now, let's talk about integration, because in the world of tech, seamless connectivity is key, and Power BI truly excels in this department. Specifically, it plays incredibly well with the entire Microsoft ecosystem. Think about all the tools businesses rely on. Excel for spreadsheets, Teams for communication, Azure for cloud computing. Power BI seamlessly integrates with all of them. This means you can pull data directly from these familiar tools and visualize it effortlessly within Power BI. For businesses already heavily invested in Microsoft products, this integration is a game changer. Power BI becomes a central hub for all your data needs, working in harmony with the tools you already use every day. Okay, we've covered ease of use, affordability, and integration, but here's where things get really interesting. Power BI's advanced features. Because Power BI isn't just about basic charts and graphs, it's packed with cutting-edge tools that take data analysis to the next level. Let's start with artificial intelligence. Power BI leverages the power of AI to automate insights and make your life easier. We're talking features like automated insights and natural language querying. Then there's DAX data analysis expressions, Power BI's powerful formula language. And the best part? Power BI is constantly evolving. Finally, let's talk about scalability. Because a data analytics tool is only as good as its ability to grow with your business. And Power BI truly shines in this regard. Whether you're a small startup or a global enterprise, Power BI can handle it. It's designed to scale seamlessly, adapting to your needs as your business evolves. No need to switch tools or rebuild your entire analytics infrastructure from scratch. Power BI grows with you, providing the flexibility and agility you need to stay ahead. So, there you have it. 5 key reasons why Power BI continues to dominate the data analytics landscape in 2025. It boils down to this. Power BI is simple, affordable, and incredibly powerful. It gives businesses of all sizes the tools they need to unlock the power of their data, make informed decisions, and drive growth. And with its seamless integration with the Microsoft ecosystem, its advanced features, and its unmatched scalability, Power BI is poised to remain a leader for years to come. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend who might find it helpful, and subscribe to Xplore Pro for more insights into the latest tech trends. As always, thanks for watching.